Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, the tsunami. In our previous session, we came to know how Tilly Smith had saved the lives of her family members as well as some other people. Now, let us move to the third part of this lesson, and in this part particularly we see how animals were able to save their lives during the tsunami time and what special power they have in order to save themselves. About that, what are the opinions of different people? Those things we are going to see in this particular part. Let us start. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast, in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They fled to safety. Yes, before the giant waves slammed means hit, into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. Before the tsunami waves hit the coast of India and Sri Lanka, the domestic animals and wild animals seemed to know what was about to happen. They came to know about that before tsunami hit. They fled to safety. They ran away to the safety places. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Some people saw that some elephants, they screamed and they ran for higher grounds. They ran to the higher areas which are above the level of water. They ran towards such areas. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Even the dogs, they were not ready to go outside. And flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas. Flamingos, they left their abandoned means left their low-lying breeding areas. Here low-lying means places that are lower than nearby areas. They left lower areas and they flew towards higher areas. And zoo animals rushed into their shelters and could not be enticed to come back out. And zoo animals, they rushed to their shelters and they were not ready to entice. Entice means desire or hope, or they were not ready to come out of their shelters. Here we can see how different animals they were behaving before the tsunami hit. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense the approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. See here. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense. Some people, they argue that animals possess sixth sense. See here, sixth sense means extrasensory perception, the ability to sense things by means other than the nerve bodily senses. Usually we sense everything with the help of our sensory organs. Eye, nose, skin, and other sensory organs. But the people who possess sixth sense, they have ability to sense the things which is not bodily one. Okay, with the things by the means other than the bodily sense. They are going to sense the things which is beyond the body sense. Okay, this is called sixth sense. So some experts, they argue that animals also possess this kind of sixth sense that helps them to escape from the disasters. Now, when the earth is going to shake, by the help of sixth sense, they know when the earth is going to shake. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. But some other experts, they argue that no, animals, they do not have any sixth sense. Instead of that, they have acute hearing. Acute hearing means strong hearing. Okay, strong hearing ability they have. It helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. Because of that, they get that warnings of a disaster. This can sense the approaching disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Because of this acute hearing ability, they sense the approaching means coming disaster long before humans realize what's going on. Because of this thing, they are able to sense the disaster before human beings realize that disaster. We cannot be sure whether animals have sixth sense or not, but the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries, but not many animals have been reported dead. Still, it is not scientifically proved whether animals have sixth sense or not. But the fact is that giant waves, means tsunami waves, that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in dozen countries. Because of tsunami, more than 150,000 people were killed. But not many animals have been reported dead. But not many animals have been reported dead. Compared to human beings, the animals' death was very less. Not many animals have been reported dead. By this, we can understand that animals have some special ability to understand the upcoming or approaching disaster, whether it is by sixth sense or by their acute hearing sense. About that we are not clear. Still some arguments are going on. Some are telling animals possess sixth sense, because of that they sense the danger. But some people argue that no, they have acute hearing ability, strong hearing ability. Because of that, they are able to sense the vibration of the earth and they are able to save themselves. Like this, different arguments are there. But animals have some special ability. That thing, it is very clear. Because of that ability only, they were able to save themselves. Many animals have not been reported dead during the tsunami time. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.